So with all that hype around AI, you probably think, will AI replace me? And I want to talk about two professions which are highly popular today among businesses and social media creators. Those are videographers and video editors and photographers. These people are just in high demand. Everyone needs them. I need them for editing this video or maybe shooting some b-rolls for me. You need them to shoot social media content for your restaurant, hotel, or any other business you might run. However, I've been using AI for a while now to write some articles and generate some visuals, and I could say that it only gets better. But the question remains, will it replace people in charge of visual creation and how it will transform the social media landscape? You probably saw these videos, AI generated videos by Sora, and I don't want to talk about it much, just go watch MKBHD videos, the link will be in the description below. So first of all, this progress is fascinating. Seeing how this video looked a year ago and now, you can spot the difference. Nowadays, content creation is quite a demanding routine, requiring a creative process to be initiated and technical execution to be done or be in place, and at the same time that involves few people participating, especially if we are talking about brands and their marketing campaigns. But let's look into the future. First of all, most people scroll through the content, right? So you don't really pay attention who is in the frame or how cool this photo is. All you're looking for is a message this photo or video represents. AI can actually do that. You can say, show me a couple walking in Kyoto in December, and you will get this video. Or maybe you want to see how dog playing in the snow. You don't really need to find people and do all the shooting. It is just 5 minutes job for AI. So will it replace photography or videography? Actually, I think that authentic content will be there to stay. However, businesses will choose efficiency and lower production cost. And that's where you don't really want to compete with machines. Another field which probably gonna take jobs from photographers is content recycling and repurposing. With the power of AI, you can take your library and use it as a reference to create new visuals for anything you want. And if you take a look, we all have thousands of photos and videos in our database. That's where AI will do a great job. Say you are a hotel or maybe a restaurant and every winter you run a promotion. Your hotel is still the same with the same design and the same surrounding. Take all previous pictures from October of every year and ask AI to generate a new one or modify unused ones by adding some snow or any weather as you like, and there you go. Of course, this list can go on and on. There are many possibilities. Actually, some of the pictures you see online today or articles you read created with power of AI. You just don't really pay attention, and that's what future holds for us. Let's see what's gonna happen to social media platforms. In my opinion, AI-generated content will be a dominating one. One of the most important skills will be ability to communicate with AI and making it create what you need. And that's where digital creators will need to learn new skills. So guys, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And as usual, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!